Now that you know what stocks are and understand how brokerage firms get their cut and how to make an account, you're ready to start buying. However, you may be surprised to learn there are multiple ways to buy a stock, and today I'm going to take you through the two most common ways in which you can do so. So let's get started. The two types of ways you can buy a stock are going to be a market order or a limit order. Now, what are these? A market order, quite simply, is when you purchase a stock at the shown price on the stock page. That is the ask price of the stock. A limit order is when you purchase the price at a set point that you make. This doesn't mean you get to choose the price of the stock. It means you're making a bid at whatever price you choose, and if a seller is selling at that price, the order will get fulfilled. So here I am on Robinhood, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with the orders. This stock is VOO. It's actually an ETF that tracks the entire S&P 500, but you don't have to worry about that. Just focus right here on how to buy. If you click the three dots, it'll give you the two options we just talked about. There's a market order, where you buy it at the market price, that is the ask price of the seller. There's a limit order, where you can set your limit price, that is, you're setting the bid price for the stock, and if another seller has the same ask, the order will get fulfilled. So what should you do then? You should always place a limit order. When placing a market order to buy, it will get fulfilled at the shown price, with no chance of going below that. However, if you place a limit order, there's a chance that it will get fulfilled at that lower price. Essentially, it's placing an order in the hopes of someone is selling cheaper than shown. So to wrap up, always place a limit order to maximize the chance of undercutting the stock. In the next video, we'll continue this discussion, going over some of the other options you see on the stock page. Catch you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe for daily videos.